Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for a good show tonight? Show some love, make your laugh, come on. Ever upon us, okay, I'll get you. So when you see the direction, I said, oh, boss, your money for. I got you that. I got you that. I got you that. Then he tell her, why is the money? I say, your father's money. Don't you also understand my language? I don't know, everything is so annoying. And when you're chasing that girls, it's the riskiest thing ever. Especially when you introduce them to other guys. That moment they forget to speak English. Oh, son, what's up? I meet my sweetheart, she's mousy. What did you speak? English. The moment you introduce, meet my mousy. And when they forget to know, and then the girl is like, what are you talking about? Oh, you say you're a good guy. And 3 years of NDC and MVP folks here, please can we inform His Excellency John Mahama that he is not incompetent and he shouldn't take offense too much. Did you see him on that day on the recording? I'll take this from Kufo. I'll take this. What is this? What is the name of this? I'll take this from Kufo. I'll take this from Ronnie. Incompetent Mahama. Incompetent Mahama. That moment he realized he was the president. So he can't say anything more. If he wasn't this, he probably would have said something like this. Incompetent Mahama. Incompetent Mahama. Do what she does. But he's the president. So he couldn't say it. Sometimes I imagine what if John Mahama and Babel in the same classroom? And then you know both of them are from the north. So they're all killers. And then Babel is in the washroom and then John Mahama is going, hey, Mama is entering the washroom, he'll kill Babel. Once he entered, about me, when you are we are very well, I ain't competent to one on one. I feel on Adam. We are sorry. I'll do what she. The father, shall be to me. I swear, Babel, come on. Hey, what did he do to you? No, Mama, he didn't do anything. He's incompetent. And MVP folks, do you know the problem?
Let me set my
Your followers are too educated, they are easy to convince. Have you ever tried to convince an NDC follower before? Yeah. You pour water on stones. When you're convincing an NDC, like what your government was, it's true, yeah. And the fiscal policy was supposed to borrow too much. It was supposed to increase exports. Yeah, I think my government didn't do well. Yeah. That same thing. Tell it to an NDC person. Oh, you're physical. By the effort, they buy a good effort.
Oh, you're getting somebody's house. You are recording? Yes.
And lastly, to my favorite pastor in Ghana. He's my favorite pastor and fashion icon. The bishop. How can you say that with Danny Jata and I just said Danny people and then you feel you're trying to never Danny or what? Hey! He confidently said, make me Danny baby, make me Danny or what? Make me Danny grandma or baby walk through. We were having power crisis. Why didn't he turn himself into a power badge? So that we know he's of use. But you see, some of you are now playing obeying. Look, in Jesus' time, he was doing things that was making people's mind. They didn't believe him. Later, they got to know that he's a true Messiah. What if obedience is a true Messiah? You might not know. And Jesus died yesterday. So what if obedience was supposed to die for us? And then Judas comes and tells the Roman soldiers, the one that will kiss is the one that will be crucified. Then he comes closer. Obedience is gangster. Judas, I'm catching you. I believe that I'm not so cheap to say. We need some catch up, Jimmy. Self-move, best man, so again. Only first one. But evolution says we came from animals. We started as particle, fish, to tilapia, to chicken dog, to chimpanzees, to human. So we move from fish to human. Maybe we can move from human back to animal, but we don't know. And maybe the being has discovered his capability. We don't know. If you look at it, imagine people are turning into things. Do you think the first stage will turn into? I believe the first stage can turn into like a Tanzanian chimpanzee. You know the way they make noise in the body? I think so. But somebody said this word to me that he can change to anything he wants, but you should be very careful where and how he changes. Because if he goes for a certain reason and turns to Amakye&Dede, he will be a person. To the women that can tell let's papa he shouldn't die the voter region. Because the Chuks, you go there and you want to tell it to cat, everyone will welcome you. Hey, if you come and see a minimum, they have come to the voter region. They stole our coin, they haven't stolen the book, we are very strong. Come, change it to a cat, I'll use you as my pet. But where I want to warn you massively is the top. Imagine he does a revival in Sabsubu Katali. After the revival, he comes backstage. We are not there. On a feel, on a Daniel confirm. Then the person, like Daniel confirm. It was a African look like Daniel confirm. We need the answer on law. That's what people every day enemies are looking for them. Enemies them come, they run away. But you're still standing there. The ridiculous people. Show us one more time for Amakye. An old man of his age, he's taking the girls away. I just hope his stroke doesn't come. And you girls are there taking the girls away. To give it out to a couple of random faces. I see Hogan, you said to the Bovi. I see Akoro. Akoro, when would you talk gentle? I tell you. What if you're having sex? Your breath is for breath next. You finished me on radio. I've just been quiet. This guy, Akoro told me, you can follow my body on Instagram and follow my head on Facebook. I felt like I was a dinosaur. Where is Buchi? If I find him, he's dead. Looking like a corporate boy. Doesn't say anything sensible. I'll finish you. Random music. To me, a dog right there. Baby, that's it. Baby, that's it. Linda, that's the guy. Linda, whatever. I've been waiting to say this. That girl, Sarah Kobna or Sarah Kwame, leave us somewhere alone. You are 20. How many years is it? 21, 22? People are vying for member of parliament position at 21, 22. You are in a hurry to take us somewhere just dollars. Did you see her so-called sex tape? Even Kim Kardashian will not be proud. And you think you tell somebody all of this nonsense? Do not let you go. Hey, sorry. Let me dash. Okay, so Accra City is up. Accra City Hotel, that's a senior player, Jan. He's our incoming coach of the Black Stars. And that's where you see discipline in the Black Stars. Then we praise and the time back Random. Oh, Sally. Oh my God. Hey, Clarence, where's my money? Your hair never grew. Why? You lack vitamin H. Listen, I'm lodging at Accra City Hotel. It's an amazing place. Usually when you go for a hotel, you see the floor, tile, or regular carpet. This is a carpet. I don't know how it is, but it's an emotional carpet. Oh yeah, when you step on it, you can hear the carpet comfort you. Oh, yeah. Oh baby. Go and try it. If you go, you don't have a girl, you can have a good time on the carpet. Into an environmentalist. You come with all sort of leaves. Ladies, why are you evil? Why? It's true. Do you know why women are that wicked? Because they're the only people who can contain the highest level of pain in the history of mankind, childbirth. When they contain that pain, that's your small pain is nothing to them. Men, I don't know why men can't stand pain like this. I don't know. Even an ant like, a woman, I'm fine. How many ants bite you? Oh, like 32. Next, I call her the princess. Wait, let me remind you, this is Lord of the Rings 2016 edition. Let me run through the people who helped us make this possible. And I have introduced myself to, hello. My name is DK Borough. Okay, now further on the show, we'll have Buchi from Nigeria, we'll have Apororo, we'll have the man on fire, Bovi, and then we'll have... You see how relaxed he was? Excuse me, do me a favor, please. Get out of here, man. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Get out of here for real. Really? He was talking about accents. Ghanaians, our tongue is not strong. Do you know people in Africa who have the strongest tongue? It's Nigerians. You can never influence a Nigerian with your accent. If you like, come with America, hey, what's up, man? How you doing? I did cool now, what's it? Like, come on, synchronize. You find a Ghanaian, hey, what's up, how you doing? I'm cool. You know right, how's it going? It's going, nope. Nigerians will never leave the accent. Stop me if I lie. And then you can be speaking good Ghanaian English. How you doing? You go right there, it's nice. We have a good time on the show. Once Nigerian come in, have fun. Too much every day, good things. You lose your accent. And one thing I hate is Ghanaians trying to pick up American accents. And then they hear the R and they abuse the R on anything. You know Americans and their R. Whatever, however, you know what I'm saying, it's getting better. Ghanaians will everything. One thing, hey, to show supper. You're right, I'm alright. Well, yeah, from Wild Cherry, you know what I'm saying? It's good, every We're moving on quickly. There's one fella with a song, and it's a very interesting song. You know, usually women say, guys break their hearts, guys broke their hearts. You know. This time, he's highlighting what society has covered for a long time. A lady breaking his heart. And ladies, why is it when you break a heart so painful like that? A lady can break your heart, you turn into a gym estate. Somebody gets with me 6 months time, it's much one. He was from China, you know, if I break my heart and they dump me on straight. When you see, let me tell you, you know when you're pumping the gym, your breath makes noise. No, the broken heart people, they have a different... It's a different one thing. And look, whoever can break the heart, you will turn into a man of God straight. What's up with you and Abigail? Listen, the days of fornication are past. Right, moving on. So, he's here to highlight the fact that ladies also take us through the mail. And, he's got some very great response when he released the song. It goes like, you're great breaking. You're breaking me. You're great breaking me. You know the lines? Jane O'Berry Koyo. How? Jane O'Berry Koyo.
No wonder. Guess the boy swerving. K1 freestyle all day. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
All day, got more flows, life really good, maybe you don't know, here the super stay low, we have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good, winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose, had to choose life, yeah I need a good pose, so I live a chase life, homie, no hoes, cause to test and try it with